Hey everyone, this video is about the Roblox error unable to send friend request. Let's get this fixed. Open up your task manager and make sure if Roblox is running in the background, then you need to close it. After that, open up command prompt. So to do that, go to search bar and type in there CMD and make sure to run it as administrator. You need to copy and paste all these commands in here one by one. These commands will clear the DNS caches. I will also leave the commands in the video description. If the last solution didn't work, then try the next one. Open up run again. Type this command sysdm.cpl and click OK. On the top, click on advanced, then click on settings. Over here, select this option, complete memory dump. After that, click on OK. Then it will ask to restart your computer, so just click on OK to restart it. After you restarted your computer, if the last solution didn't work, then try the next one. Open up your search bar and type in there % local app data % and hit enter. In here, look for temp folder and open it up. Then find Roblox folder and delete it. You don't need to worry, it's not going to affect your account or games. So after you deleted the Roblox folder, then open up your browser. So in my case, it's Google Chrome. On the top, click on these three dots, then select settings. On the left, click on privacy and security, then select this one, cookies and other site data. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on see all site data and permissions. Over here where it says search, in the search bar, type Roblox. And anything to do with Roblox, just delete them. We also need to disable or remove any extension related to Roblox. So to do that, just click on extension on the left side. And over here, you can either remove it or you can just disable it. If you're still having a problem, then the next solution is to uninstall Roblox from our computer. So to do that, press Windows key and R on your keyboard to open up Run. Type in there appwiz.cpl and click OK. Then the programs and features will open up. So in here, you need to uninstall the Roblox player and Roblox Studio. So just select them one by one and click on uninstall. After that, head over to Microsoft Store and try to download the Roblox, as Microsoft Store version is more stable. Once the download is completed, so just click on play and log into your account. And that's all. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider supporting me and subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.